Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations. Today I'm going to show you the new Griffin auto ship. I'm trying to lift up my chair. Make sure the chair is right. Alright. So let's see which one this is. Oh. So pretty. Y'all know I absolutely love the auto ship. So this right here is the Griffin Simply Congratulations card making kit. I absolutely love these boxes. So I think this is the third one that we've gotten. So each month will be a different, title. So I absolutely love Simply Congratulations. So all the congratulations to people for any reason. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. And I love that each card set has a different shape. Look how pretty this shape is. So pretty. All right. My phone said, nope, not right now. Let me on my camera. So back to this. All right, y'all saw this, the sample. So let's look through. Oh my gosh, these beautiful colors. Got some foam dots. You got your cards. And this makes, how many does it say? Does it say how many cards it makes? I think it's 12. 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 12 cards. So I think each kit is the same. Look at this beautiful lavender ribbon you get. You get some sentiments. Look at this. So very excited for you. Just for you. This calls for confetti. Bravo. Cheers to you. So any kind of congratulations. This is nice. You know, I always love her things. So very proud of you. Ooh, I like that one. Here's to you. So some nice sentiments. Then of course her beautiful flowers. I'm not going to open it up. Y'all can see right there. Look how beautiful. And of course they are dimensional. And they are already got adhesive on the back. And I love the little full swirls that you get. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at this one. I love this lavender. So looks like more of a lavender kit this time. Look at these beautiful card bases. Let's look. Okay. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh, and you can interchange these card kits, guys. You don't have to just stick with what is in here if you want to use it for birthday. If you want to use it for anniversary. That's the first two we got, I think, or Christmas. I can't remember. And then they already have a sentiment inside. I love it. A round of applause is in order. Absolutely love this. Handmade by. So you get 2 of those. Oh, wow. Look at that. That beautiful purple. Cheerful smiles, a hug or 2. Happy thoughts are wished for you. Oh, that's beautiful. 2 of those. I'm loving the shape. Look at that with the gold foil. May today's success be the beginnings of tomorrow's achievements. Oh, wow. So if somebody in your office gets a promotion, I mean, you can do all types of things. Ooh, y'all know this is one of my favorite papers. So thrilled for you. What a truly amazing accomplishment. Love it. Yes. I wish I would have had these earlier. One of my coworkers switched departments and he loves it. Look at this. Wishing you the best for the happy moment in your life. These are nice. You have them do them and put them right back in that box. You are an inspiration. You are an extra. You are a extraordinary. You are a extraordinary. I think the A should have been taken out. You are extraordinary. Not you are a extraordinary. I'll probably wipe that out. So. Oh wow, these are beautiful. Love, love, love. And then if you want to make it dimensional and add to the top. Absolutely love. Okay, doll. You just ripped it. Okay, so we'll take them out like that and put them back in the same way. And these are double-sided as well. So you get a choice. Look at that. So if you wanted to add dimension to that, put that up. That is so pretty together. Oh, ha, ha. So of course you get 2 of those. Then look at this green. Oh, so pretty. The other side is pink. Love it. Let's see. This one has gold foil. And the back side, oh, my favorite. Oh, that is beautiful. This one is green with gold foil and then green on the back. Oh, look at that. That's pink and gold. Oh, look at that paper. And the Griffin paper is like one of my faves. Look at this. Oh, just beautiful. Very pretty. I don't think I want to cover that up though. And you don't have to. You choose what you want to do. So that is the Anna Griffin Simply Congratulations card making kit for this month. It is beautiful. I love the lavender that she's using this month. So y'all let me know what you think. Did y'all sign up for this auto ship? Absolutely love these cards. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.